Hello everyone, my name is Ravindra and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. Today we are seeing the text functions. Let's say click on the text function and see the text functions. Okay, so if you see, we have the only two functions here, find the text position and the substring. But if you use the expressions, okay, so in the expression, this is our documentation. So I will share this link in the description box. From there, you can watch, okay, and you can learn from this expression sheet as well, okay. So if you want to use more expressions, so if we scroll down, so we have lot of string functions. So if you see, so this is the string function table. In that we have chunks, concat. So all these functions we are seeing in our this entire journey. So please stay tuned and hit the subscribe button. If you're not hit it, then please subscribe. Okay. And let's we go to the our string function now. So let's first use the find the text position function. Okay. Let's give the text here. And the text we have the some text. Let's give some text. Okay. So this is just I pasted the text. Okay. So in this I want to find the PL600. Okay, means what position this character is coming, PL600. So let's I go and click on gives the input search text here. Okay, now the main point here is, okay, so if PL600 coming the second time, okay, at the bottom, so it will take the first character. Okay, when this search text will find. Okay, like same as notepad function, it will work. Okay, in notepad we use search option, same like it work. Okay, so first at how much character this PL600 is occurring, this text function will use. Okay, so in last session we see the compose operation. So let's we use the compose operation to see the output of this function. Okay, so let's go click on the dynamic content, and if you see that find the text position, only one output we are getting. So let's click on that. Let's rename this our action text position, and let's save our flow. So our flow is saved successfully. Let's try to run this. Okay, test run a flow. So our flows run successfully. Let's see what output we are getting. So in the text position, if you see at 512 number, we are getting the output here. Means at the 512 character, we find that text. Okay, this text we find it. Okay, and we are getting the output here. Okay, PS600 we find at 512 position. So this we can do in the Power Automate dynamically. Okay, we can pass both the text as well as the search text here dynamically. Okay, so how we can do that? Let's I showcase you. Let's I cut this. Let's we go to the manually trigger flow. Let's add the input here. In the input, let's use the text here simply. Okay, and in the feed parameters, let's we use the dynamic content. Okay, click on the see more, and we will use a text. Okay, and now we will go and see the second operation. Okay, so in the built-in text functions, we'll go and use the substring here. Okay, let's go the string here, dynamic string we are giving. Okay, so let's we search for the text here, and from manually trigger we will use this text here. Starting position means what text we need. Okay, so let's we go and let's use the 10. Okay, and let's click on the advanced. The length we need the 5 character. Okay, let's save this flow. So our flow is saving, friends. So our flow is saved. Let's we try to test this. Let's click on the manually test. Let's we provide the text here, Ravindra Zado Power Platform. Okay, so in the substring, if you see, we given the starting position is 10, okay, and the length is 5. So let's say find. So it will start from 1, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So Jadhav, 5 characters we will get. So let's we see and click on the run flow and let's click on the done here. So let's click on the substring. So if you see now we are getting, okay. So let's make some changes in this, okay. So from 9th position I need this, okay, and the character is I need the 6 characters, okay. Let's we click here, okay, use the data operation, add in the compose action, and let's select the dynamic content, use the substring here. Let's rename his the name, okay, and let's save our Power Automate flow. So our Power Automate flow is saved. Let's click on the test manually trigger. Let's provide the same text for now, okay, and let's click on the run flow. Done. So our flow save run successfully, okay. So let's see the output here. What output we are getting? So in the compose you can see the my surname is we are successfully extracted, okay, and in the text position also same output we are getting, also giving the output here, okay. Questions if you have anything. So we are waiting here. Okay, so Sanika just responded to us, okay. Can we take one more example? Okay, so let's we go and take one more example so Sanika can understand this, okay. Let's click on the edit and let's use the any manually input here, okay. So let's click on the test manually trigger we will use, okay. Click on save and test. Let's from the reference itself, okay. Let's we take this string here for now, okay, and let's go to the manual tree. So let's paste this, okay. So in the text we are going to work, okay, and the string PL600 is not present. So output we should get as a 0, okay. So let's see what output we are getting. In the substring we are going position to the 5. So let's see what output we are getting here. Let's click on the done here. So our flows run successfully. Let's see what output we are getting. So text is not found, so we are getting the -1 as an output, and in the sub string output we are getting the is st, okay. So that's all friends. If you have any questions you can add that in the comment box, okay. I'm waiting for your response here.